This week we learned that a good deal of the frustration surrounding updates on the Club Q shooting can be chalked up to a Colorado law that automatically seals criminal records when a case is dismissed.
Tonight, we're talking to one of the lawmakers behind that legislation who's defending the way it works. Good evening, I'm Heather Skold.
And I'm Bart Bedsole. One state legislature is defending a state law despite the Pikes Peak region's top prosecutor criticizing it for confusing the public in times of crisis.
Following the Club Q mass shooting, District Attorney Michael Allen says state law prevented him from talking about the suspected shooter's past. Investigative reporter Dan Beatty is outside the district attorney's office to explain. Dan.
State legislators tell me in the case of Anderson Aldridge, the law worked the way it's supposed to. But District Attorney Michael Allen says it creates confusion at a time when the public deserves timely information.
That confusion then leads to frustration and anger, both of which can be avoided if access to the records was available.
Suspected shooter Anderson Aldridge was arrested in 2021 for kidnapping and menacing. Those charges were dismissed, and the records, per state law, were sealed at a judge's order. Following the shooting at Club Q, the DA and members of the media filed petitions to unseal the previous arrest records from 2021. According to state law, all DA Michael Allen could say publicly was, quote, "Criminal records do not exist." More than 2 weeks after the Club Q shooting, the records were unsealed at a judge's order. Allen believes that's just too long.
That's why I'm calling for an amendment to that statute. That would, if a certain level of crime, I think it should be an F3 or higher. If it's committed, it automatically unseals prior cases, even dismissed cases. Or if the district attorney requests the case to be unsealed, that the court has to rule within 24 hours of that request. I think that would fix what happened here.
13 Investigates spoke with Colorado State Representative Mike Wiseman about the current law. He was a primary sponsor of the most recent record sealing law passed in 2019. Wiseman says Allen's suggestion to automatically unseal certain records is not as simple as the DA suggests. While Wiseman supports the current structure of the law, he does believe the district attorney's concerns and suggestions do have Investigates.
All right, Dan, thank you.